cooking sotong with patay. Yeah. This shrimp. Sotong. Ano bang sotong? Yeah. Hipon ba? Ay, hindi. Ano to? Sotong. Squid. Sotong and patay. Patay tawag nila dito. Yan. Patay tawag nila dito, guys. Binalatan ko. And then, I will cook with the sotong. Ito naman, onion, white onion, brown. Kung may red onion kayo pwede. Wala akong red onion kaya hindi ko nilagyan. So, bawang at saka ginger. Yan, i-blend natin yan. I-blend ko yan. Yan, kailangan i-blend yan. Lagyan ng konti tubig. Yan. And then, blend. This is our new wok. Look. It's already hot. Put the oil. Alright. When the oil is already hot, and then just put the one we blend just now, the white onion, garlic, ginger, and then leave it there until it will like dry. It will like a paste. Time to time you stir to check whether it's burned or no. Be careful, guys. If it's burned, it will smell and it will not good. And then close it because it still have water. I want is like a paste already. No water extra. Then it will be good. It will be tasty. It will be nice, delicious. Okay, guys? As you can see, I check time to time. I stir. Yeah. And then, after that, you can add the chili. Did you see that? Anything the chili you want to add. Me, I add the chili paste. There. A little bit of spiciness. And then, just stir and leave it there for a while again before you add the other ingredients. And then, guys, add the Maggi ikan bilis nor cubes. Be careful, guys. No need to add salt. You must taste first because the cubes is salty already. So you need to taste before you add some salt. Leave this for like a little bit dry. Alright. And guys, okay already that. Sugar. Put more sugar. Any kinds of sugar. Sikit gula. Awan natin pa gula. Okay, this good. No water. This is really good. That's all. That's all I can tell. It's time to put the sotong. And the patay. and one of these masam. If you don't want, just don't put it. Okay, me I want a little bit sour. Maasim. Ay, mainit. Yung aking cute na kawali. Yan. Oh, it's nice, guys. See? Looks yummy. Okay, close it and wait to cook the soto. Eto na, guys. Ayan. Lalagay na natin sa tutuna. Hindi siya pwedeng ma-overcook kasi titigas yung sotong. Ayan. Alright. Luto na. Yan na, guys. Yummy. Let's eat.